Sometimes creativity isn't about control, it's about release. Watch what happens when I let the colors decide where to go. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm creating a dual energy pour, a painting that holds both warm and calm in one fluid motion. In this pour, I started with a magenta base, one of my favorite colors to work with because magenta has a kind of magic to it. It's bold but never loud, soft but still powerful. Magenta can go with anything, blue, purple, gold, even fiery reds, and it always brings the whole piece together. That's why I use it often. It balances everything without losing itself. And before I go on, I just want to say I noticed my camera's autofocus slipped a little while filming this one. But even with that, the beauty of this pour still shines through. Sometimes the art just refuses to wait for perfection. It wants to be seen. I started with a magenta base, then layered cool tones, blue, purple, and white on one side, and warm tones, red, orange, and pink on the other side. Using a blow dryer, I guided the paint from the center outward, letting the flow shape its own rhythm. Every pour is a conversation between emotion and color. When I paint, I'm not just creating, I'm listening to what the paint wants to say. This pour reminds me how being creative means letting go. When you trust the process, the art begins to mirror your emotions. Movement becomes meditation. This technique is called a blowout pour, where air pressure replaces brushes to stretch and blend colors. It's perfect for creating soft transitions and energy bursts in your design. Warm meets cool, passion meets peace. Can you feel the balance? Look, one side feels like fire, the other like water. And Magenta, she's the bridge that holds both together. Even with a little focus slip, the energy of this piece is clear, bold, alive, and full of movement. Yes, while filming, I noticed that the autofocus is a little off, but I still had to show you this painting. It's just too beautiful not to share. Here's the final piece, gold and white emerging both sides, uniting two worlds in one abstract harmony. Remember, when you create, let go and let the pour flow. Don't chase perfection, chase expression. Like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, are you more drawn to the warm side or the cool side? And as always, stay creative and keep painting.